Hey, just woke up in sunny Medicine Hat. Yeah, I spent 2 nights in this subpar hotel, but that was okay. This is the day here. Just woke up. It's it's 8:15. I got up a little bit ago. All right, in Medicine Hat, on the way to Regina.
Medicine Hat Radio, Golf Oscar Charlie Kilos, over, it's left and descending to 5,000.
Oscar Charlie Kilo, Medicine Hat Radio, Roger, report roll T inbound.
Report roll T, Golf Oscar Charlie Kilo.
Medicine Hat Radio, this is Piper Colt Golf, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. I'm on apron 1 with Information Charlie.
Piper Golf, Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Medicine Hat Radio, good morning.
Good morning. Papa Whiskey Whiskey, I was hoping to depart to the east at 5500. I see 2-1's active.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Roger, runway 21, wind 2004, altimeter 3017. Traffic 10 miles to the east, going direct roll T, which is 15 miles to the northeast. For the RNAV approach, runway 21, a Piper descending to 5,000. You can squawk 1756.
Squawk 1756, and I'll taxi over to hold short of 2-1 and then see how I'm doing for time. Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Roger. They're estimating the field in approximately 7 minutes.
Understood. Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Oscar Charlie Kilo, Roger. In traffic, just departed runway 21. A Piper will be departing northeast bound, climbing the 5,500.
Check so much, Golf Oscar Charlie Kilo, and we're descending down to 4,000.
Oscar Charlie Kilo, Roger.
Alright, we're on a climb. Trying to get ourselves up to 5,500. And we're off again! Da-da-da! Medicine Hat! Oh, there's the big teepee! We're supposed to see the big teepee! Quick! Get your cameras! I think it's the biggest teepee in the world! My mom texted me, I don't have time, Mom! Try to look at a teepee and fly a plane! Biggest teepee in the world! Or North America or something. Big teepee. Alright, back to work. It looks very large. Doesn't look protected from the elements though. I gotta make my turns tighter out of places. I'm just like, woo!
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Medicine Hat Radio. See you clear to the east. You can switch on frequency at your discretion. Have yourself a great day.
Alright, thank you very much, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. I'll switch on route. Hello. So I told you I'd talk about the headset. So the headset is a Lightspeed Zulu 3 headset. It's one of the best in the aviation industry. I reached out to Lightspeed to tell them about my venture, and they basically put me together with the headset. So I've been testing it, using it for a while, obviously, on this coast-to-coast adventure, and it is pretty awesome. So the other day I figured out how to use Bluetooth. There's a thing on here where I can click the Bluetooth button and listen to music. And I was all pumped because I thought that in the video, like we could listen to music together so you could see me listening and you could hear the same song. Unfortunately, that doesn't work. Not because of the headset, but because, one, for YouTube copyright issues. Like the songs I'm listening to are like the famous songs that you can't have on YouTube, so I can't do that anyways. And just the way that I have a separate thing that records audio, which is plugged into the GoPro, which is a whole separate system. But basically, you plug the headset into the recorder thing and then into the plane. So it just, basically, the music doesn't go through the right wire. in layman's terms, because those are the only terms I know.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and move along. Come on, said babe. I said babe. Oh honey, come and move along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it.
Are you on or off? Hey, I've been going across the prairies. I'm in Alberta or Saskatchewan, or somewhere near the border, I think. It's all been clear skies with some clouds here and there, and now there's just this like wall of like cumulus clouds, meaning that they develop vertically. I'm about to enter this wall. I guess the experience part is just like seeing it, seeing the clouds and the darkness and what it looks like, and then like knowing what that means for you. Like right now I'm approaching it. I don't know if you can see it from that angle, but the clouds are there. Blue sky above me. There's a line of clouds, but I can see the ground under them, and then it gets a bit hazy. So I expect once I cross this line into them, I expect it's going to get pretty bumpy. Anyways, just looking at the weather and just seeing, like, is it okay to fly through here? Like, how bad will it be? I feel like I'm going to get some turbulence here coming right up, and I can't, like, for the prairies, I can only see as far as the eye can see, like, it's just, eventually it just turns all into a haze. Anyways. Alright, so I'm under the first cloud. Immediately, my vertical speed went up like to 700 feet a minute. You're just caught in an updraft because clouds are created by these columns of air rising. Ooh, that was dark. I thought Moose Jaw, the military, would be nice to me, you know? But no, they're like, can't cross through our airspace. I was just going to go through the tip. Right on the tip, and I asked if I could just go straight, and they said, nope. Stay out of our airspace all the time. But now I have to also dodge this weather, so now I'm between this, like, don't go here, and this evil cloud. Come on, military. I thought we were still pals. The shape's so funny, I gotta make such a weird turn now. Well, so much for that plan. Alright, Regina! Alright, Regina! Alright, what are we doing? Okay, 3,500 feet. Let's give these guys a call. Regina Tower 118.6. Regina Ground 121.9. Get that ready. Ready to run. Alright, railway track is there, which I've been following. Runway 13, information Mike. Regina Tower, this is Piper Colt Golf Papa Whiskey Whiskey, about 10 miles northwest of the tower with information Mike.
Golf Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Regina Tower, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I was hoping to come in for a full stop. I see that 113 is active.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey Tower, affirmative. Squawk ident, runway 13, winds are 200, 12 gusting 20, altimeter 3014.
Understood. 13 and I squawked again. Papa Whiskey.
Whiskey Tower identified, cleared right base, runway 13.
Clear right base 13, Papa Whiskey. I'm cleared right base 13. I'll make sure my compass is right so I can...
Papa Whiskey Whiskey Tower, the winds have been splitting between runway 26 and runway 13, currently 210, 10 gusting 20. If you'd like to switch to runway 26, just advise.
Yeah, can you repeat the winds, please? Papa Whiskey Whiskey?
Papa Whiskey Whiskey Tower, winds are 210, 10 gusting 20, and they've been variable between 190 and 210.
I'll stick with 13, Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey Tower, roger, you're number 1.
Number 1, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. Oh, gusting 20. That's a lot. That means I have to increase my landing speed 10, so 90, which is fine, I can do that. And I have to be careful. Gusting 20. Alright, winds, work with me, please. I also wish I could see the airport better. That's stressful when you're not sure what the airport is. It's harder when everything's so flat and there's all these roads. Alright, baby. You got it in ya? Where are we? 400 feet from the ground. This'll be your biggest crosswind landing. You can do this though, you've done this before. Crab into wind. Aileron into wind.
Jazz 7948, Regina ground, cleared to the Toronto Airport via the Regina 2 departure. Flight planned, route squawk 3425.
Oh yeah, look at the crosswind. Almost 15 knots. Okay, you got her.
Can we get a wind update? Juliet Kilo X-ray Tower, wind 190 at 11, gusting 8. Papa Whiskey Whiskey Tower, are you parking at apron 2?
It's open for apron 4 by the Flying Club, Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey Tower, roger, exit Kilo. Taxi to the apron, monitor ground 1219 went off.
Understood, I'll switch to ground and get off on Kilo, Papa Whiskey Whiskey, thank you. This is the windiest. Do you see that? I could have done that better.
Wind 190, 15, gusting 23.
Oh, that's crazy. Well, I'm getting pretty good at my airport navigation though. Look at that. Big old international airport, just driving around here.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, ground, your flight plan's closed. Have a good day.
Thank you, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. I gotta really remember to ask to close my flight plan. I don't think I've remembered yet. But the good, that was the shit sandwich. Or no, well that was the opposite of shit sandwich. That was bad, good, bad. Bad pick of the runway. Good navigation of the airport. Bad at asking to close my flight plan.
I said, wow, I got lucky. There's a storm brewing.
I can just take this whole thing off. Look at that, can you see that? And the wind is really, oh. Look at that guy's park job. Anyways. Wow. Oh, I'm glad to be down on the ground. It felt pretty good until the end. Like, yeah, it felt pretty good with the crosswind. It just, I didn't get the ending down, but that's okay. I don't think I heard anything. I'll take a look though. I'm glad to be here. I gotta tie up. It looks like it's gonna be a huge storm. Like, that looks huge. Man, I feel lucky. Like, look, it's flying around. Oh, look a good day. I like Papa Whiskey a lot. Good Day is pretty cool too. All right, I'm shut down. Oh, I just gotta relax. I'm super happy. That's the windiest day I've been flying ever. It's gusting mid-20s. Did you see that wind? Well, you probably wouldn't have seen it. The windsock when I was landing was straight out the sideways. They said this runway was going to be closed today. So I was like, oh no, I thought I was going to get a huge crosswind landing here, but on the other runway. And then it just happens, yeah, the wind was really moving around. She said 210. So let's just figure this out. How wrong was I? Know I was wrong, but how wrong was I? So 210, that's 50 degrees off of runway 26. She did say it was like from 190 to 210, so 50 to 70 degrees off of 26. So you picture the runway, you picture the wind. So here, I don't know how well you can see this, but you got runway 26 there. So if I'd land there, she said the wind was coming like this. Yeah, so that was really silly of me. If I visualize it here, I was picturing, well, I guess it's more like, yeah, more like this, which is almost direct crosswind to 13, which is how I landed. I landed this way, and the wind was like that. Well, I guess it was like this. So if I would have switched to 26, I still would have had a really good crosswind. But not as bad as 13. So 13, what are we talking? We're talking 70, 80 degrees off of 13. So almost perpendicular. Whereas 26 is we're only talking 50, 60, 70 degrees. So I hear thunder. There's thunder. Oh, I might need my raincoat. Yeah, so either way, 26 would have been better by a good margin, by I don't know, 20 to 30 degrees. So I landed like this with the wind like that, and I could have landed there with the wind like that, and then at least I would have, yeah. But now I'm here, Apron 4, for a couple nights, 3 nights. Oh, can you tell I'm relieved? I can't believe how quick this feels like it's coming in, this storm. Wow, good job, plane. Oh, look at that giant bunny. It's like a jackrabbit. All right, well, it wouldn't be an adventure without a bit of fun, a bit of risk, a bit of learning. You know, either way, in my defense, either way I would have had a pretty good crosswind. The only thing better I could have done is maybe land somewhere else, which I was considering to do if it was too windy. But by the time you're almost here, and it felt pretty good right up until the end there. And it wasn't still the worst at the end. It was just like, it was not good. It felt pretty rough. Okay, I will stop and reflect upon the day and get back to you later. All right, bye. G'day. Okay.